We got more monster trucks.
All right.
Lainey.
Hi, Jackson. Hi, Lainey. Say hi, everyone else is watching.
Hi, everybody else is watching.
This is another episode of Buelo Trucks. What do we got today?
We got all of the new toys Buelo bought.
Yep.
So we're going to start opening.
That's right.
Hit like and subscribe.
Yeah, hit like and subscribe. Yeah.
Everybody's watching. Hit like and subscribe. Everybody's watching.
That's right. We got new trucks. Gonna open them up, see which ones we got. Are you ready?
Right.
Which one do you want to do first on your side?
This one.
You want to open up the cars? All right, we're right here. Let's open it up.
You do the top.
You need to do the top. You need my help.
No, it's like this.
Ah, there you go.
Look at that.
Cool. Turn around, show it. Whoa. All right. What do we got here?
We got a Ram, Ford,
Ford.
a Jeep, and a weird car. I don't know what it is.
And this is a Toyota Tacoma.
Toyota
Tacoma. Which one's your favorite in here?
The Ram.
You really like the red Ram, huh?
Yeah.
Ooh. So when you get bigger, is that the one you want?
My dad has a Dodge Ram, so I'm gonna buy a Dodge Ram too.
Your dad has a Dodge Ram?
Yeah, it's black.
Cool.
Not red.
Yours is gonna be red?
No, black, just like my dad's.
All right.
So it's gonna be blue, just like
Are we ready to do one from my side?
that. Yep.
I want to do
All these.
first this one. I just want to show this one because Jackson really likes school buses.
He goes on school buses, go to school.
Yep.
Because he's close to his school.
Yep. So here's a brand new school bus.
Ooh.
Jackson really likes the school buses.
After that, we can open this one.
Yep. There's a cool school bus. Alright. Let's move these ones out of the way. And now, what's the next one you're going to open up?
I'm gonna open this one. I got this one first.
Oh, wow.
What is that one?
This one is called the Special Crusher.
Wait, look, I have something good after that.
Yeah, it gives you a little car to crush it. Show them over here. Show Jackson how to crush it. Let's get this out of the way.
Yeah, you gotta buy some new of these. I have these.
All right, let's put it right here so Jackson can see it.
So can you open yours?
Yeah, that's a cool SoCal crusher. All right, cool. Let's open these three right here because Jackson really likes cars.
Me too.
Yeah, so this one. Oh, that's a little cool race car.
No, look at the back of it.
And it doesn't have it on the internet. Yeah, it's called the Cupra E-Racer.
Ooh.
Nice Cupra E-Racer.
Look at that.
Yeah.
It says it right there.
Yeah, this one is, that's the Cupra E-Racer.
That's the same one?
This one is called the Ford Model A.
Wow, I'm gonna put this right here.
Yeah, we'll line it up.
Monster truck.
Let's let Jackson see it.
Ooh.
That's the Ford Model A Custom 31.
Now we gotta open the other ones.
And this is the last one. Ooh, this is a really cool 67 Shelby GT 500.
How do you know that?
What it says. 67 Shelby GT 500.
I gotta put this one right next to this one because it reminds me of all these three.
Yep.
Because they're all racers. They're all car racers.
So we got the SoCal crusher.
No, these you show down with the other.
You want to show them all in here?
Yep.
All the ones that we've opened up so far.
I mean, let's show this one.
And the school bus.
The school bus.
The SoCal crusher.
School bus.
These are all really cool, huh?
Yeah, what's this one called again?
That's the eraser. We'll call that one the eraser. All right, your turn. You gotta open one. You gonna open a big one?
Ooh.
Whoa! This one is called Rhinomite. That's called Rhinomite.
Yeah, they have another one. Oh, look, it's right there. See that one?
Yeah.
Rhinomite. Right there.
Rhinomite. All right. Gotta open it up. It's got tape on it.
That one.
Whoa.
Just show this one in the back of the car.
Yeah. That's really cool. Rhinomite.
Hey, let's grab that and see just on that crash
Hold
car
on.
there.
Hold on. Let's put it out here in the front so Bubby can take some good pictures of it. Some good video of it. That's called Rhinomite.
Because it says it on the car.
Mm-hmm. That's what they named it. Rhinomite. It's got like a little stick of dynamite right there on the side. All right. Cool.
Now it's your turn.
I'll put this one right here on your side.
Okay. Because we.
Right here. All right. Let's open this one. Get that first one. And this one's a special one.
What's it called?
This one is the 50th anniversary Bigfoot. And Bigfoot, I think, was the very first monster truck ever. The very first one ever.
Like the tallest Bigfoot has the biggest.
It was just the very first one with the biggest tires.
We have another Bigfoot.
Yeah, we have other ones too.
Yeah, the one is that had super big ones.
Uh-huh.
The white in the middle.
All right, we're
We
gonna put that one right there.
This big.
So, look at all the ones that we've opened up first, and now it's your turn. Which one are you gonna open up now?
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo. Ah, yeah. We have some work to do.
Yeah, that's right.
Uh-oh. I need the scissors. I need the scissors.
Here, let me see if I can punch a finger. There you go. There you go.
Everybody, this is the goodest monster truck.
What's that one called?
Scooby-Doo.
That's right.
You like Scooby snacks?
Who?
Scooby. You like Scooby snacks?
In the cartoon, he eats those little Scooby snacks. That one's cool, huh? Oh, thank you, Mackenzie.
There's the cartoon in the video.
All right, now let's open. This is Monster Mutt and Monster Mutt Dalmatian. There's two kinds of Monster Mutt. This is from the Monster Jam trucks.
Yeah, like earlier we saw him in that monster jam.
You remember we went to go see him?
Yeah.
All right.
Like,
So we got the Monster Mutt,
and
Monster Mutt Dalmatian.
they start.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes I like fight, like
Tails.
They battle, huh?
they high five with their tails. They all go in the back of the truck and cars. The trucks go in the back of the cars.
All right, so we got the cars in the front, then the trucks
in the middle,
in the middle, then
and the monster trucks are in the back.
the monster trucks in the back. Hey, we forgot this one.
Oh yeah, because that was on your side.
All right, let's open that last one.
What's that one called?
Bowser and
Donkey Kong.
let's open it.
Those are from Mario Brothers, right?
Yeah, Mario Brothers. Sometimes I say, I think a new one's coming up.
Can do.
I got it.
There you go.
I got it in the middle. All the way. And now put it through.
There you go.
I did it. Let's go. I think I have phones too.
Yeah.
This can be the door. This can be the door. This can be the
I don't
door.
know.
There you go.
That can be the door.
Let's show them. What do we got?
We got more monster trucks.
Put it right here so we can see them.
Now I can play with these ones. We can play with these ones.
Now, is this one Donkey Kong and Bowser?
Yep. Donkey Kong and Bowser.
This is Bowser.
I'm just like ripping it. Yeah.
What's that one doing? He's giving him a ride?
Yep.
SoCal Crusher is giving the Dodge Ram a ride.
No, that's the Ram, not a Dodge Ram. A Ram, see?
Oh, it's just a Ram?
Yeah, see?
It's just a Ram.
See, the back and the front is the Ram. The sides are the Ram.
That's cool.
So, like, the Ram's gonna ride on the...
That's right. It just says Ram on the back.
In the front.
Yep. And in the front.
And the side.
There you go. The SoCal Crusher's giving the Ram a ride.
This. You can see the side now.
You got your Scooby-Doos and your Monster Mutts.
And same with the cars are on another ride.
Oh, is it gonna make it? It's gonna fit.
Okay. I back up.
Whoa. SoCal Crusher's down.
Now he's just blow up. Now he's blowed up.
Which one's this one?
Oh, Ford, I see.
Oh yeah, this one's a Ford. That one looks like a Ford.
It's Ford.
And this one is a Tacoma. See, it says Tacoma on the back.
Tacoma.
It says Tacoma. Tacoma.
It's a Toyota.
Toyota.
Toyota Tacoma.
And look, they're both drifted. Now the cars can go and help them.
Oh, they gotta help him?
Yep, and here's the other truck coming. Whoa, this one went too fast and fell. On the street. It's called my other Ford. And that
What
was
do you got
so
there?
cool. Uh-oh. Overland. Because it off-roads. Just have big tires.
Yeah, that's the Ford Overland.
And drive on walls and things. Like this is. What's that?
Yep.
We gotta get that truck and the crush.
Oh, the Crusher car? There you
Yeah, so we can like test this truck on it. Oh, I guess the car. I guess the truck can be in the video too. See, did you see that, everyone? Yeah, 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 yeah. All of them saw it.
go. That's right. Good job.